Hi, my name is Robert. This video is designed to give you step-by-step detailed instructions on completing the task at hand. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching.
At this 98 Dodge Dakota, it's got a bad window regulator. Parts over there. I'm gonna go have some coffee, warm up a little bit, come out here and see if it's possible get this window regulator in. Tools and equipment you need to complete the task at hand. Hands up, door clips into the top of the seal. You got a screw hole lined in there for your T25. Screw hole lined in there for your T25. Phillips there, 2 Phillips down the bottom. Put the sleeve on the handle. The clip on the handle, then pop the handle over with the clip on it. Door panel's already missing on this Dodge Dakota. Sorry about the wind noise. You got a screw that needs to come loose here. Screw that needs to be removed there. If it's got a little circle in front of it, you know it can be loosened and slid out of there. Loosen, remove, loosen, remove, and of course the handle needs to be removed. It's got a clip there. Push those 2 clips down, one clip down on both sides. Grab it with a needle nose pliers or something. Pull it off, pull your handle off. Let's open up this box, see how it looks in this box. The tough part about this is the window has fallen all the way down. I see the window rollers there. Somebody's been rolling this thing up and down, and it's probably destroyed the window tint. But I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get this window lifted up so that I can get this regulator out of it. That's gonna be probably the biggest pain in the butt in doing this, getting that window up, holding it up, and getting that regulator out of there. So let me go and somehow get this window up with 2 hands, get it locked in the up position, then take that handle off and get this regulator out of here. The window up and being held by that handle from those pliers. However, I think this window's missing the bottom part that these rollers and stuff go in. So I'm gonna pull this regulator, take a peek, because if that window's missing that stuff, the window might have to be replaced. But let's see what's in this box on this regulator here. Yeah, I don't see nothing on this glass, and there may even be a little chip broke out of it. But let me pull this regulator and see if there's something with this that this can attach to the glass, because it looks like the glass may be missing parts. Hold the glass to the regulator. Got the clip off the handle, slid the handle off, loose, remove, loose, remove, remove, loose. Let me work this out of the bottom of the door real quick. The regulators look the same. However, there's the parts that are probably supposed to be connected to the bottom of the glass are missing. So we're gonna have to get a glass for this. So I'm gonna pull this window up, put a couple of screws through probably this metal part, and get this window secured up for the time being. I'm going to go with a broken window here, so I'm going to run out to the salvage yard, get probably a door panel and another window, and come back and finish this thing up. In the junkyard, and there's that screw that's missing off of that window. See if I can see the front one. Yeah, that one's there too. So I'm going to pop those 10 loose, take this window out. And I got the door panel. I don't have a window switch, but I'll check a couple of Dodges for that. Alright, I'm back here going to deal with this window. I'm going to take the window out. You take this bolt out or loosen it, it'll move the window track so you can pivot the window and get it out. Then I'm going to take this lower seal off so that the window will come out easy. So let me go ahead and pull this bolt, take this window out. The regulator's L-shaped, probably not going to go in like this, so I'm going to go ahead and crank it so that it's straight and then put it in. The bolts that came in the regulator are the ones that you loosen and work in the slots. 6 screws in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to slide the window down there, get it in the track, hook it on those 2 lower portions, secure that. Then I'm going to get this track back in on the front side of the window. Clips in there, and then screw it here where it goes there. Easy to look down there, get that track in place, put it in position, put it there. Now I'm going to go ahead and give the window a test, roll it up, roll it down, make sure it cranks right before I put this panel on. So, get the knob on there, rolling it up. Bam. Good to go. I'm going to go ahead and set the panel on, clip this in the panel, get that hooked in the hook. Look like this snaps somewhere in here to get this in position, right? Probably way up here. That snaps in up here somewhere. Hooks in there, snaps in place like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and hook that on the door panel, put the door panel on. Got to take the handle off before I could put that door panel on. Clip that handle in like that, and make sure you thread that door lock mechanism through there. Hook the door up, and on top of that, it has a couple more things that hook in slots in the frame of the door, like here and down the bottom. So I'm not worried about the speaker. Later is catching on the door locking latch thing. You can hear it. See, pulling down the lock as I roll the window down. This stuff was bent up when I took it apart. So I'm going to take door panel off, bend that metal correctly, and put it back together. When you have the door in place, that stuff lines up. Door clips into the top of the seal. You got a screw hole lined in there for your T25. Screw hole lined in there for your T25. Phillips there. 2 Phillips down the bottom. Put the sleeve on the handle. The clip on the handle, then pop the handle over with the clip on it. It will expand over there and pop on there like that. So let me get this clip in place. Massage the handle over there. When it starts going, hit it in, and it's good to go.
If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.